guys, it's Ignition. Welcome back to the S Squad. If you're new to my channel, like and subscribe. Don't comment because my comments are off. But today's video, I'm going to be doing finding fidgets. Sorry. I'm going to be finding fidgets, and I'm going to the. Oh, somebody pulled my head, and I fell. Where am I? This is weird. I'm scared of forest. This is very scary, no, for real. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna see if I can find some stuff to whatever. Maybe I should find fidgets. I'm very scared. So take it easy. Cobweb. Scary. Okay, I saw an internet box. Probably might have fidgets on it, even though I'm looking for stuff to camp. But I'm going to be finding fidgets instead. How does this thing even work? Oh, I found this! Guys, I found this. This is probably like, what do you call it again? That monkey needle. Let me keep on looking. Very scared here. Look what I find! Oh my goodness, I found this, guys. This is so nice. Alright guys, so I just found this. Alright. I'm scared, like literally scared. Uh-oh, my fidget fell, guys. I found a puppet. It's very nice. Right. Let's go further in. Okay, ready. Look what I found! I found this. Okay, there's probably have more fidgets in this trading hunting to find stuff, but I'm out. Let's run, guys. That was crazy. Anyways, let's just play you guys here. That was scary. Anyways, let's just see the fidgets that I got. Bring them over. So, the most thing I was very happy about was this. This puppet. This puppet is nice. I like it. It's like a unicorn puppet. It's very nice. I love it. Very nice. Anyways, let's move on to the marble mash. We have the American one, and I don't know what is this one, but we will call it funny. So this is American, and this is funny. So let's play with them. And you guys know that you could do this. And it'll basically look like a giant snapback. Guys, like this video if you're feeling for Massey sausage roll. Wait, no, this, not that puppet. This, you hear that? This. Anyways, so let's. Oh yes, Anyways, look, bring it closer, Look at this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but look at that. And I actually could clean up stuff, you know. And look, you could think that is this a clean surface on the table, nothing dirty. But with this is the trick. It collects a bunch of dirtiness and germs, and you could actually use it when you're soaping your hands. You know, it's very nice. Let's put it back in the container. Put it in here. guys, that is all I have for today's video. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure to like the video again if you like if you're feeling for Maxi. So that's the drill, but bye.